Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn math for data science step by step. We begin by building a strong foundation. Start with algebra, understanding variables, equations, and functions. Then, move to basic calculus, focusing on derivatives for rates of change and integrals for accumulation. Finally, delve into linear algebra, which is crucial for data manipulation, covering vectors, matrices, and their operations. This initial phase sets the stage for more complex topics. Next, we dive into statistics and probability, which are the backbone of data science. Begin with descriptive statistics, learning about measures of central tendency, like the mean, median, and mode, and measures of spread such as variance and standard deviation. Then, explore probability distributions and inferential statistics, which allow you to make informed predictions and draw conclusions from data, forming the basis for hypothesis testing and modeling. Now, let's advance to more specialized areas. Multivariate calculus is essential for understanding optimization algorithms in machine learning, particularly gradient descent, which helps models learn. Deepen your linear algebra knowledge to include eigenvalues and eigenvectors, vital for techniques like principal component analysis, or PCA, used for dimensionality reduction. These concepts are directly applied in building and refining sophisticated data models. Finally, consistent practice is key to solidifying your mathematical understanding. Regularly solve problems from textbooks and online platforms. Engage with real-world data science projects to apply these mathematical concepts in practical scenarios. Consider joining study groups or online communities for support and to deepen your learning. Continuous application and exploration will make these mathematical tools intuitive for your data science journey.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.